In 2016, the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information continued its quest to ensure that every student gets an opportunity to prosper. Last year, the ministry removed mandatory auxiliary fees at the secondary level.
The term auxiliary fee and the request for auxiliary fees can in fact be extinguished.
And the budgetary allocations for secondary schools was increased from $2.6 billion to $5.3 billion. The ministry increased its efforts to cater to different learners and rolled out a new alternative pathway to secondary education in 2016.
The alternative pathway to secondary education will be guided by a philosophy which is interactive and learner-centered, and ensure that every student gets his or her opportunity to achieve in the selected areas of learning. All our students need to be engaged in the education system until they are age 18 and beyond.
Recognizing that children learn best by doing, the ministry designed and implemented a new national standard curriculum. Grades 1, 4, 7, 8, and 9 started using the curriculum in September, and over 13,000 teachers were trained to deliver this curriculum. Under the new curriculum, grade 4 students started preparing for the Primary Exit Profile, PEP. This exam will replace GSAT in 2019.
The advantage of that is the student will be much better prepared for the high school curriculum.
For 2016, the Education Ministry continued its drive to take schools off the shift system and ensure that children have a more engaging learning environment. Many educational facilities at all levels were upgraded. At the early childhood level, the Union Gardens Basic School was officially opened. A new infant department was opened at the Runaway Bay All-Age School. The infant department at the Holy Family Primary and Infant School got an $8.9 million upgrade. And Banana Ground Primary got a new building. At the primary level, Barracks Road Primary got a new classroom block which cost $25 million. Ocherias Primary received 8 new classrooms and Mandeville Primary got an additional 12. While at the secondary level, Titchfield High School in Portland got 6 new classrooms. There were improvements this year in 4 of the 5 GSAT subjects, while in the CSEC examinations, students did better in 14 subjects. Several initiatives were launched to improve students' math and science grades. A Mathematics, Science and Technical Vocation Scholarship Program was launched in September. Primary school students were introduced to calculation time. The program incorporates the use of songs, toys, workbooks, domino cards, and an online application with an aim to get students to better appreciate math. In November, the ministry engaged young people in the decision-making process with the launch of a Youth Advisory Council.
We value the positive contributions of our youth, and they are a vital part of the decision-making process. They are the change agents and need to play a direct role in shaping and influencing policies and programs that will affect them.
Under the information portfolio, the Creative Production and Training Center relaunched and rebranded its cable channel as Jam Vision to share content devoted to Jamaican stories and experiences. And the Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica received an optical digital archiving system, which will allow the entity to convert analog materials into a digital format. In 2016, the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information laid the foundation for the success of our students. It aimed to change the game and energize the wave of prosperity.